Hey everybody, it's Bruce with Olive Branch. Today, it's a little different video today. I wanted to give you a little bit of insight in Olive Branch and myself and how we kind of came to be. So, wanted to talk about that for a little bit. My company, we've been in business a little over 2 years. I've been in the industry almost 17 years now, doing construction in one form or another. And one of the things that I've really enjoyed doing is getting to know clients and getting to meet clients. And every day it's a different challenge. It's a different project that we do. And so I've really enjoyed that part. Ever since I was a little kid, I have built things. I used Legos all the time when I was a little kid and would build different things. And then when I got older, I got to start using power tools and hand tools. And it just kind of continued to grow from there. And so as we move forward, and now I've actually got a full business and we're in people's homes, now it's a little bit different. Now I get to make things for people. I get to do stuff for people. And it becomes an amazing ability to be able to have a relationship with a client and be in their home and build something for them. And that's the part that I think is the best. It's not the project, it's not the other things that we do, it's the relationship with the clients. Some are good, some are great, and some are bad, and some end difficult. But you always have that relationship with the client, good, bad, or indifferent. And it's my favorite part of the project. So today we have this negative connotation with contractors that people don't like them. People want to do work on their own, and they don't want to use a contractor because they're worried that they're going to screw things up or do something wrong or bad. And I want to change that. I want to be able to make that an easy process. My process is different than a lot of contractors you're going to work with. There's a lot of stuff up front. We decide a lot of stuff and a lot of information up front, because then we had a client a few years ago that once we went through that process, the clients literally handed me the keys and they went to Germany for 3 weeks and said, when we get back, we want the whole house done. And I said, okay, we'll have it done for you. I joke all the time that there used to be a show called How to Catch a Contractor. If that couldn't be any more devastating to my business and industry, I don't know what could be. But I hate the fact that there is that. And so what Olive Branch wants to try and do, and what we really strive to do, is change that. We really want to change the perspective of how people look at a general contractor. So that's why I do the process that I do. That's why I build the relationships that I do prior to the construction even beginning. So I hope that gives you a little bit of insight into us. It's not a whole lot of history, but it does give you a little bit of where we're going in the future and how I want to keep building this name, this company, and the brand. So please check us out. We've got a lot of videos coming and a lot of videos on the website as well as on Facebook. If you want to give us a phone call or an email or any way of just reaching us, you can check us out down below. You can check us on the website at olivebranchcontracting.com. I'd love to hear from you. I can't wait to see some new projects that come up this year. Have a good one.